How to check last online on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have an updated version of Roblox application. So let's first search for Roblox, and as you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So let's tap on play and open up the application over here, and as you tap on Roblox application, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now after checking on the connection, you can simply select or see for your account over here. Now tap on more option. You can simply see all these accounts that you are friends with, and here you can see they are offline as of now. So you can simply go for all of your friends and you can see if they are online or not over here. And right now it shows no option of when they were last online or so on. They only show offline. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.